Hi, this is Dr. John Callahan. I'm talking to you Tuesday morning, March 24th. The reason that I decided to record this is I've got a couple announcements. Wanted to kind of update you what's going on here at the clinic. First of all, we do plan on staying open. We want to be here to serve you. We don't want you to be afraid of what's going on. We are, cleaning our surfaces very carefully with our disinfectant wipes. We're wiping down our tables. We're washing our hands, even more so. I've always washed my hands, but even more so in what things are going on. We want to encourage you, if you've got adjustments scheduled regularly, please keep those appointments and don't be afraid. Come in. It's important to keep your nervous system functioning optimally. There is some component of immune response mediated through the nervous system, so please come in, keep your adjustments. That's just something I want to encourage everybody to do. Couple other things. Number one, Friday, we had a Facebook Live that was through 8 Weeks to Wellness. It was with a Dr. Robert Silverman. He's an expert on nutrition, and the talk he gave was on how to keep our immune system strong throughout this pandemic that we're going through right now in this country. So we decided to put the recording back on our Facebook page. So if you have not liked our Facebook page, I encourage you to go to Facebook, Callahan Chiropractic, and like the page, and you can hear that recording. It's got a lot of good information, so I'd encourage you to do that. The other thing is Thursday night, we had an educational event scheduled called Straighten Up. It's about how to, improve your posture and how sitting and a lot of the computer jobs and all the texting that we do really cause a lot of problems with our posture. So nobody I know has perfect posture, but the closer you do have to perfect posture, you'll move better, you're stronger, you're less prone to injuries. There's a lot of advantages to having good posture. So we are going to have this event normally live, but we've decided to put it online to make it easier for folks to go over. If you have any questions afterward, there'll be boxes underneath, or you can message us. But we want to invite you to that. So we are going to record that and put it online. It should be online either Thursday or Friday. So please look for that. And again, like our Facebook page in order to do that. So we want to encourage you to please, stay safe, do all the things they're telling you to do. Please take the virus seriously, but yet don't panic or live in a state of fear. We want to keep our immune system strong, and one way to do that is to get adjusted regularly, to have good posture, which will help teach you how to figure that out as well, and of course eat well and control your environmental exposure. So anyway, folks, just wanted to encourage you. We were going to stay open as best we can. Our gym is closed, of course, but hopefully that'll open soon. And so that's it for now. And thanks for listening, and we'll talk to you guys soon.